HMH curriculum, what it does is provide students and families with the opportunities to engage into joy of learning. When I was a principal of the middle school, it's one of the curriculums and companies that we adopted, which led us to have tremendous gains, demonstrable improvement across all boards. It was already conversations happening about changing our curriculum. It was already conversations happening about what do we do to try to manifest the student outcomes that we desire. And HMH was one of the companies that came to the top of the list that works in a type of setting that we have, which is a low socioeconomic setting. Students who are seeing adverse struggles, grade levels behind, and they address that issue from K through 8.
What we're doing here in Poughkeepsie is state of the art. It's really first of its kind. Definitely in my 20 years at HMH here in the Hudson Valley, in New York State, I know, and most likely the entire country.
Before, we definitely had different components of different pieces in our curriculum. Now we're getting one set curriculum, one set company, one-stop shop where parents can access all the information for our students. We're also going to be getting, like I said, the intervention piece. I think that is the critical piece that they're able to provide, not only in the classroom, but at home and for the students themselves. The students will have their own access where they'll be able to see their own progress. When they log on to their student login, they'll be able to see where they are at academically, where they're at assignments, and where they're at if they have any growth based on the assessments. And then hopefully as we move into next school year, which is 2027-28, we'll be phasing in the 9 and 12 so that we have a seamless K through 12 curriculum to help improve our student outcomes, not only in our middle schools, our high schools, and then our elementary schools, which will then lead to increasing in our graduation rates.